Children, let us start the exercise 14.2. Here a square plus 8a plus 16. So it is a square plus 2 into 4a plus 4 square. So this can be written as a plus 4 whole square. Then second one, p square minus 10p plus 25. So it is p square minus 2 into 5 into p plus 5 square, that is p minus 5 whole square. Then 25m square plus 30m plus 9. So 25m square is 5m whole square and 30m can be written as 2 into 5m into 3 since 9 is 3 square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square forms, that is 5m plus 3 whole square. Then next 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. 49y square is 7y whole square plus 84yz 2 into 7y into 6z plus 6z whole square. So that is 7y plus 6z whole square. The next one, 4x square minus 8x plus 4. 4x square is 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 2 plus 2 square. So it is 2x plus 2 whole square. Then 121b square minus 88bc plus 16c square. So it is 11b whole square. 121b square is 11b whole square minus 2 into 11b into 4c plus 4c whole square. So it is 11b minus 4c whole square. The next one, L plus m whole square minus 4lm. So here we can expand L plus m whole square, that is L square plus 2lm plus m square minus 4lm. So plus 2lm minus 4lm. So that is L square minus 2lm plus m square. So this can be written as L minus m whole square. L square minus 2lm plus m square is L minus m whole square. The next one is a raised to 4 plus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. Since a raised to 4 can be written as a square whole square plus 2a square b square plus b square whole square. So we got the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Instead of the first term it is a square and the last term, that is third term, is b square. So this can be written as a square plus b square whole square. So we completed the first session of the exercise 14.2. Second question, that is factorize the same, but here we can use the identity a square minus b square form. What is it? A plus b into a minus b. So first we want to write 4p whole square as 2p whole square. 4p square as 2p whole square minus 3q whole square. So 2p whole square minus 3q whole square is 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q. That is a plus b into a minus b. The next one is 63a square minus 112 b square. Since 63 and 112 are not square numbers, so we can take a number which is common in 63 and 112. So is it 7? Yes. So let us take 7 outside. Then what is it? 9 sevens are 63. So it is 9a square minus 112 by 7. What is it? So we want to divide 112 by 7. So 1 sevens are 7, 42, 6. So 9a square minus 16b square. So we want to write 9a square minus 16b square as, so 7 is already outside, then 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. So these are the factors of 63a square minus 112b square. Here the first one, 49x square minus 36. 49x square is 7x whole square minus 6 square. So it is 7x plus 6 into 7x minus 6. Then 16x raised to 5 minus 144 x raised to 3. Since x raised to 5 and x raised to 3 cannot taken as a squares. So we want to take 1x from these two, and 16 and 144. Here also we can take 16. Then 16x into x raised to 4. Since 1x is taken outside, so inside the bracket it will be x raised to 4 minus x square. So 16x into x raised to 4 minus 9x square. Since x raised to 4 is x square whole square minus 9x square is 3x whole square. So 16x into, this can be x square minus 3x into x square plus 3x. Next question, L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. So this is expanding the first expression, L square plus 2LM plus m square minus of the expansion of L minus m whole square is L square minus 2LM plus m square. So after expanding, we want to take this minus to each term inside the bracket. So minus L square minus n minus plus 2LM minus of m square. So we can cancel 1 L square and 1 m square. Then what is remaining? 2LM and plus 2LM. So the answer is 4LM. Then move into the next question. 9x square y square minus 16. Since 9x square y square is 3xy whole square minus 4 square. So how we can write? 3xy plus 4 into 3xy minus 4. So that is the factors of 9x square y square minus 16. Here the next one, x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. So this can be written as x minus y whole square and then minus z square. So what is it? It is of the form a square minus b square. So what is it? A plus b into a minus b. So here what is a? A is x minus y. So x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. So this expression can be written as x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. The next one, 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Here we want to check which of the form we want to apply. So here 25a square, since there is no AB form, AC form, but here BC term is there. So 25a square, we want to take minus from each term. Then it will be 4b square minus 28bc plus 49c square, for arranging them in the form of expression, that means in the identity. So this is a minus b whole square. So let us check. 2b whole square minus 2 into 2b into, what is it? 4 7s are 28. So 7c plus 7c whole square. So is it 2b minus 7c whole square? Yes. And here 25a square. Then these expressions can be written as 5a whole square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. The last one, that is the previous one, we did like this, that is x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. The same method we can apply. So here a square minus, it is not whole square, here it is whole square. So 2b minus 7c whole square. So 5a minus 5a plus 2b minus 7c, that is a plus b form. Since this is a square minus b square, where b is 2b minus 7c. So 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus of, here we want to put minus to each term inside the bracket. So 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus of 2b minus 7c. So these are the main problems that we want to study in this exercise. Only one more exercise is remaining, that is division.